3 steps to a better money management lifestyle. Now, there is a misconception about money management. Like you need to have huge amount of money to be able to manage money. Well, that's not true. All you need to be able to manage money is everyday money management. Being able to manage your money every day, whether your money is big or small. All you need to do is to be able to manage your money daily. So here are 3 important things to know about money management. Or rather, these 3 things will help you manage your money more effectively. I say it again, whether you're managing big money or small money, as long as it has to do with money. Of course, when you manage small money, your small money will grow into big money when you manage it effectively. So here are the 3 things. Number 1 is create a budget. Whether you're managing personal finance, family finance, or for your business, create a budget. Budget is important. I mean, a whole lot of people disregard this part. And some people make budgets but don't stick to it. Create a budget and stick to it. Really important. Now, budgeting is a very huge, really huge money management topic to talk about. Probably do a video about it, another video about it. But here is a little hint. For personal budgeting, please include small portion of your income for enjoyment. Yes, I said it. Whether you have big money, small money, or medium money, include, even if your money is small, include something inside your budget that gives room for enjoyment. First of all, if you do that, you're not going to deep hand into your money that you've budgeted for something else to take care of yourself when you want to, enjoy yourself. In quotes, what's that word? Personal aggrandizement, whatever that is. I can't remember the exact word now, but really, you need to include money for your own enjoyment. At the end of the month, take yourself to a restaurant, buy yourself a meal that you didn't cook. That's enjoyment. Go bowling. That's enjoyment. Go sightseeing. Go to an amusement park and unwind. You're working to make that money. You need to unwind sometime. We'll talk about all this in the budgeting video. But for now, create a budget, really, and stick to it. Now, you need to stick to it on a daily basis. It's important. If you don't stick to it on a daily basis, then you're not going to be able to stick to it at the long run. So every day, be intentional about your budget. The second one is set a savings goal. Let there be something you're saving for. Don't just say, oh, I'm saving money, and then you carry some part of your money and go and keep somewhere and say you're saving money. Say, I'm saving this money with a target. I'm going to save up to 100,000 naira in the next 5 months to buy me a new phone. I'm going to save 300,000 naira in the next 5 months to buy me a laptop. Just give your savings a name and give it a target. Set savings goals, and then of course you can do daily 20 naira or $2, whatever, however you want to do it. But let there be a target. Let there be an estimated portion, or rather set portion of that your income that you're putting away for savings. Name it. It's really important. I have 2 videos on automated savings plan. Check them out. You can see the link in this video. You could check them out, or you could just browse through the YouTube channel and look for those 2 videos. They are really important. If you don't have time to be putting out this money on a monthly basis, weekly basis, or daily basis, however you want it, you could set them up to automatically go there from your account. It goes to your savings platform or account or whatever, or app, whatever you use. Check out the video on savings automatically. The next one is handle your debts. If you have any outstanding debts, it should also be included in your budget. Like you're earning $200 a month, you take out say $50 to service your debt is really going to eat you up if you don't focus on it and clear it out. I mean, really, if you were to check how much you spend on servicing your debt, you realize that it's eating you up, and it will give you less money management abilities. I mean, you won't be able to manage your funds well. Hi, my name is Ohaka Okechukwu, and if you've watched to this part of the video, I'm guessing you actually found this interesting. So please give it a thumbs up, which is a like, and share the video with someone. You could do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.